Welcome to my channel. TP Link AXE5400 Wi-Fi 6E range extender setup. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Plug the extender into a power socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED turns solid. Step 2. Connect to extender Wi-Fi. Now open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the network named TP Link _extender. Step 3. Open the setup page. Open your browser and type tplinkrepeater.net or 192.168.0.254 in the address bar. Step 4. Create an admin password. You'll be asked to create a new admin password for your extender. Set a simple, secure password and click Start. Step 5. Select your main Wi-Fi. The extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your main home Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, or 6 GHz. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password and tap Next. Step 6. Set extended network name. You can keep the extended Wi-Fi name the same as your main network, recommended, for smooth auto switching, or choose a new name. Step 7. Position the extender. After setup is complete, unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the weak signal area. If the signal LED turns solid, the placement is perfect. Step 8. Final check. Now connect your devices, phone, laptop, or smart TV, and check your Wi-Fi speed. Your TP Link AXE5400 Wi-Fi 6E extender is now fully set up and boosting your coverage. Thanks for watching.